Welcome to the MicrOptik booth on the Achema 2018 in Frankfurt, where we, MicrOptik, has displayed different techniques which are partly new and already for a long time in our portfolio. On this side you will see our particle size analyzer portfolio. In a short eagle's eye overview, we have contamination counter, where we can measure contamination in plastic and in food or other material. We can also do particle size and analysis of these material. Very sophisticated software, but very easy to use. We can analyze whether particles are out of spec in a very simple manner by just clicking on a button on a so-called two-dimensional morphometric plot, and you can easily see that the characterization of these specific particles. So that is dry material. We can also do liquids. This system is a laser obscuration time analysis system which measures in liquids combination of laser obscuration, time analysis and microscopy, machine vision based. So we see in the liquid the particles through the image, which we can characterize in a very sophisticated way, but also the dispersion, the characterization of the particles in the liquid with LOT is given in a very convenient manner for either quality control or for research, whatever you want. We have also other systems which relate to particle size analysis. In this case we have particle in bottle inspection system, where we can measure particles in a bottle without opening the bottle, without having the need to take a pipette out. That's all history. You just take the bottle completely, put it in the benchtop system, close the door, and then the rest is automatically done. Of course, we have our system related to microscopy, 3D scanning. We can do surface analysis with a very special technique. A lot of applications can be done with microscopy, which we can provide to our clients. Then also we can do spectroscopy. Spectroscopy, UV vis, infrared, Fourier transform, near infrared, many applications where we can provide fiber optic based systems or open light path systems depending on the application. We also provide probe design to measure either in solids or in liquids. And also we do turnkey projects, which you can see here. If you look at this video, we can measure real-time defects in parts from automotives or other nature, and for that we can provide a complete solution from A to Z. We also have our new flashpoint analyzer, which we have developed, and it's a very convenient system of which details can be found on our webpage. That is in a nutshell our booth, and look at our webpage, microoptik.europe. If you have questions, you can always send an email and we will provide you with a fast response and a solution to your question. Thank you very much.